Trigonometric identities tips and tricks. Trigonometric identity functions. Using trigonometric identities. Recall that when an angle theta is in standard position with its terminal side intersecting the unit circle at x, y, then x equals cos theta and y equals sine theta. Because x, y, is on a circle centered at the origin with radius 1. It follows that x square plus y square equals 1. And cos square theta plus sine square theta equals 1. The equation cos square theta plus sine square theta equals 1 is true for any value of theta. The other fundamental trigonometric identities are shown. To remember the identities, consider an identity square cart and remember the phrases. Simon added chocolates, as sine as in Simon, added is plus sine, and cos as in chocolates, as it is an identity cart both adds up to 1. Remember it is a square cart, so all are square values like sine square and cos square. The other phrases are secant added 1 tangerine, so secant square is 1 plus tan square. And cosecant added 1 cotton candy, so cosecant square is 1 plus cot square. Cofunction identities. Sine and cosine functions are complementary to each other, that means the angles add up to 90 degrees. You can remember them by rhyming words like sine cosine, tan cotan, and secant and cosecant. Hence sine of pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. Also cos of pi by 2 minus theta is sine theta. Similarly, tan and cotan functions are complementary to each other. Hence tan of pi by 2 minus theta is cot theta. Secant and cosecant functions are complementary to each other. Hence secant of pi by 2 minus theta is cosecant theta. And also cosecant of pi by 2 minus theta is secant theta. Negative identities. Consider an angle theta making positive and negative theta angle. The x-coordinate value is cos theta. For both positive and negative angles, x value that is cos value is positive. And y value that is sine value is positive for positive angle and negative for negative angle. Hence cos is always positive for all the angles. So reciprocal of cos, which is secant, is also positive for all the angles. Evaluating trigonometric functions. To remember this, remember the phrase all students take calculus. So in the first quadrant all trigonometry functions are positive. And in second quadrant sine and its reciprocal cosecant are positive, represented by the phrase s as in students. And in third quadrant tan and its reciprocal cot are positive, represented by the phrase t as in take. And in fourth quadrant cos and its reciprocal secant are positive, represented by the phrase c as in calculus.